Hello, fellow foodies and travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate guide to discovering the culinary traditions of the world. If you're someone who loves food, culture, and learning how agriculture influences the dishes we eat, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the farm-fresh foods that define global cuisines. Every culture's cuisine is deeply rooted in the land, shaped by the crops that grow and the animals that are raised. From lush vineyards in Argentina to tropical fruit orchards in the Philippines, agriculture plays an essential role in creating the flavors and traditions we know and love. Join us as we explore farm-to-table dishes that are the backbone of various global cuisines. Let's dig in and savor the farm-fresh goodness that defines each culinary culture. The farm-fresh foods that define global cuisines. Every culture's food is a direct reflection of the land that sustains it. The agricultural practices that produce fresh seasonal ingredients form the core of global cuisines. From the spices of India to the grains of the Middle East, farming traditions have shaped the way people eat for thousands of years. The use of fresh produce, locally grown vegetables, and sustainably raised meats continues to be a cornerstone of many traditional dishes. Let's explore some of the most iconic farm-fresh foods from different regions around the world that continue to define local and global culinary identities. 1. India. Spices, grains, and the heart of South Asian flavors. Biryani. Biryani, the signature dish that celebrates India's agricultural diversity. India's agricultural landscape is one of the most diverse in the world, with a rich variety of grains, spices, and vegetables. Biryani is one of the most beloved dishes in Indian cuisine, and it is a perfect representation of the farm-fresh produce that defines Indian food. This aromatic rice dish is made with basmati rice, saffron, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and nutmeg oil, of which are farmed locally in different regions of India. The meats used in biryani, whether it's chicken, lamb, or vegetables, are sourced from local farms where fresh, sustainable farming practices are common. The spices used to season biryani are grown in India's spice-growing regions like Kerala and Rajasthan, bringing bold and rich flavors to the dish. Farm-to-plate experience. Travel to India's rural spice regions to see how the spices and grains are cultivated. Visit the vibrant markets in cities like Hyderabad or Lucknow, where you can learn how biryani is prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. 2. Thailand, rice, herbs, and fresh produce. Green curry. Green curry, a dish that showcases Thailand's agricultural abundance. In Thailand, rice is the backbone of the diet, and the country is known for its high-quality jasmine rice. Green curry, one of Thailand's most famous dishes, uses coconut milk, fresh herbs, chili, and lemongrass, all of which are sourced from local farms. The herbs used in the curry, such as basil, coriander, and mint, are cultivated in Thailand's fertile soil, while rice is grown in the Central Plains. The use of chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu in green curry further reflects Thailand's diverse agricultural practices, where local farms raise a variety of produce and livestock. This dish is a celebration of the agricultural landscape that sustains it. Farm-to-plate experience. In Thailand, visit the rice paddies in Ayutthaya or Chiang Mai to witness how jasmine rice is grown. Explore local farms where coconut trees, herbs, and vegetables are cultivated. Participate in a cooking class to learn how to prepare green curry with farm-fresh ingredients. 3. Italy, olive groves, vineyards, and the heart of Mediterranean agriculture. Panzanella. Panzanella, a fresh dish that celebrates Tuscany's agricultural heritage. In Italy, the link between agriculture and cuisine is profound. Panzanella, a traditional Tuscan salad, is a wonderful example of how fresh, farm-to-table ingredients are used in Italian cooking. This dish is made with day-old bread, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and basil, all of which are sourced from Italy's fertile farmlands. The olive oil used to dress the salad is made from olives grown in the rolling hills of Tuscany, where the Mediterranean climate ensures that the olives are rich in flavor. In addition to bread and vegetables, panzanella often incorporates vinegar and salt, to other agricultural products that contribute to the dish's distinct taste. This simple yet flavorful salad celebrates the freshness of the land and the importance of seasonal ingredients. Farm-to-plate experience. Visit the Tuscany region where you can explore olive groves and vineyards. You can also visit local farms to see how the fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and bread are harvested and prepared for Participate in an olive oil tasting and enjoy a meal made with ingredients sourced from local farms. For Mexico, corn, beans, and the heart of Mexican agriculture, tamales. Tamales, a dish that showcases the power of corn. Mexico is often referred to as the birthplace of corn. This vital crop has shaped not only Mexican agriculture, but also its cuisine. Tamales are a traditional Mexican dish made from corn masa corn dough, which is stuffed with a variety of fillings, including chicken, pork, cheese, or vegetables, and then wrapped in corn husks and steamed. The corn used in tamales is grown on small family farms, particularly in the southern regions of Mexico, where nixtamalization, a traditional corn preparation method, is still used. In addition to corn, tomatoes, chiles, beans, and squash are commonly used in Mexican cuisine, making it a vibrant reflection of the country's agricultural wealth. Farm-to-plate experience. Take a trip to Oaxaca or Puebla, regions known for their corn-growing traditions, to see how masa is prepared. Visit local markets to explore the variety of chiles and vegetables used in tamales and other traditional dishes. You can also learn to make tamales in a hands-on cooking class. 5. Morocco, the bounty of North Africa. Tijan, a dish that reflects Morocco's agricultural wealth. Tijan, a slow-cooked stew made with meat, often lamb or chicken, and vegetables, is a dish that represents the rich agricultural traditions of Morocco. The key ingredients in Tijan, such as couscous, carrots, potatoes, onions, and tomatoes, are grown in Morocco's fertile soil. Olives and olive oil are another staple agricultural product used in many Moroccan dishes, including Tijan. The use of spices like cumin, coriander, ginger, and saffron in Tijan highlights Morocco's spice-growing regions, where farmers produce some of the world's most coveted spices. Farm-to-plate experience in Morocco. Visit the Middle Atlas Mountains to see how couscous and vegetables are grown. Explore the olive groves in regions like Meccans, and learn how olive oil is produced. Take a cooking class to learn how to make tagine with farm-fresh ingredients, and taste this rich, flavorful dish in the heart of Morocco. 6. Japan. Rice, fish, and the art of farming. Sushi, a dish that celebrates Japan's agricultural and marine heritage. Sushi is a world-famous dish that highlights the importance of both agriculture and marine life. The rice used in sushi is grown in Japan's fertile rice paddies, particularly in regions like Niigata and Hokkaido, where traditional rice farming techniques ensure high-quality sushi rice. The fish used in sushi is sourced from Japan's coastal waters, with sustainable fishing practices ensuring that the seafood remains fresh and plentiful. In addition to rice and fish, seaweed, especially nori, plays a critical role in sushi. This nutrient-rich seaweed is farmed in Japan's coastal regions and is an essential element of sushi rolls. Farm-to-plate experience. In Japan, visit the rice paddies of Niigata to see how sushi rice is grown. Take a trip to Japan's fish markets, such as Tsukiji in Tokyo, to witness sustainable fishing practices firsthand. Explore the coastal areas where nori is farmed and learn how these ingredients come together to create sushi. 7. Australia, the bounty of the outback damper. Damper, a dish that celebrates Australia's agricultural landscape. In Australia, damper is a traditional bush bread made from flour, water, and salt, typically cooked over an open fire. This simple yet hearty bread reflects the country's agricultural practices as wheat is grown in vast quantities throughout Australia, especially in the wheat belt regions. Damper was originally a dish created by early Australian settlers and Indigenous peoples. Made with the basic ingredients available in the harsh outback, it continues to be a popular dish enjoyed with butter, jam, or meat. Farm-to-plate experience. Visit Australia's wheat belt regions, where wheat is grown and harvested. Learn about the agricultural techniques that go into growing wheat, and see how damper is traditionally made and enjoyed in the Australian outback. The farm-fresh foods that define global cuisines, from the olive groves of Greece to the rice paddies of Japan, agriculture plays a pivotal role in shaping the flavors of the world's most beloved dishes. Whether it's biryani in India, Tijan in Morocco, or sushi in Japan, each dish tells a story of local farming practices, sustainable agriculture, and seasonal produce. The next time you sit down to enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the farm-table connection that makes it possible.